Bitcoin massive alert, bratans. Yes, you read it right. And why it is? Because here in our Telegram group, which is, by the way, absolutely for free, I already wrote you several hours ago, several minutes ago, we are retested here our rising wedge. And this is very bad because we didn't break through this yellow line. And what that exactly means. Are we going down or are we going up, bratans? If you appreciate, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. We will speak right now about it. And by the way, if you also want to join this Telegram group, where it's absolutely for free. For example, here I told you when I'm buying other coins like FXS, for example, here I told you at $9.50 that I'm buying more FXS. I told you, by the way, when it was around $6.50. But always if I'm buying more, or buying new coins, I tell you, and right now, for example, FXS is around $10. So this was a pump of over around, wait a minute, since I told you here around $9.50, and it goes to around $10. So it was over 10% pump, bratans. Oh, what? Okay, like this again, back. So if you want to join this Telegram group, it's absolutely for free. I tell you in a second how to do it. Also, Discord channel you can join. There you find the crypto school, crypto course, absolutely for free for beginners and advanced traders. If you want, you can join it. How? I explain you now. It's very easy. Here in the description, it's basically 2 steps. Make a registration on Bybit, deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You can use it for trading or buying Bitcoin or just leave it there. And then you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Now let's go in the charts and watch what that means. This about FXS I will speak also in a second. What that means, that we retested here this falling, this rising wedge. So rising wedge is clear bearish pattern. The price target is the bottom of the wedge around 20,200. We could say we reached it already with this wick down, which happened yesterday or 2 days ago. However, bratans, what is very bearish that we didn't break through here, right? This is very, very bad. And what we could see here, a breakdown to around 20K, and the next price tag could be 19,500. In the big picture, I tell you also in a second the trade opportunity. In the big picture, however, it's very bullish everything. So I'm still expecting relief rally to 25K, and then on the big picture we have here also formed a bull flag on the daily, and the technical price target is here around 25,500. So in the big picture I still expect that we are going between 25,000 and 30K, especially because also S&P 500, you see here, we several times retested here this white line. This white line goes back over what? It goes back over 1 year ago. You see we are retesting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right now we are retesting it heavily. And the more we are retesting resistance or support line, the more likely is that we are breaking down 1, 2, 3, and I'm expecting here that we are, with the next retest, will break it to the upside. This will be very bullish, because if S&P 500 runs to the upside, then Bitcoin will run, because S&P 500 is leading indicator. So watch out, 9:30 the stock market today open. Watch out for this. However, what is with Bitcoin? And we could see more cool down of the S&P 500, which would mean also, according also to the retest of this rising wedge, that we see further breakdown of Bitcoin, and obviously also Ethereum breakdown and Bitcoin breakdown and so on. So this could be right now a short opportunity with a technical price target. The first one would be 20K, the second one 19,500, and we could set our stop loss slightly above this white line, yellow line. So right now, let's say it would be around 21,500 approximately, slightly below. So this would be a risk to ratio of 2.75%. I mean, it's not the best, 3 is the best, but 2.75 is okay. Risk to ratio, this could be, yes, short opportunity right now, short. Stop loss around 21,450, 500, and take profit around 19,500. However, very, very risky, because on the big picture, we will see Bitcoin breaking to the upside. When it's a long opportunities, in my opinion, I would only long if we are breaking here above this 21,800. So above this yellow line to the upside. And this could be very massive long opportunity. So in case we are breaking 21,780 to the upside, I would set my stop loss below the second yellow line. So below here, this line, let's say around 21,000, maybe around 21,150 my stop loss, and take profit area would be here obviously around 25k. So this is a mega long opportunity. So 5.1 risk to ratio. This is amazing long opportunity only in my opinion if we're breaking here this yellow line to the upside, because you see retest, 4-time retest. The 5th time we will break it to the upside. It's very probable. However, right now we are retested our rising wedge, and we're expecting Bitcoin further going down to 20k and then 19,500. In case we are breaking this line to the upside 21,800, we can go long, bratans. And when I am exactly, and speaking about FXS in a second, when I'm going to buy new coins, when I'm going into short or into a long, bratan, this you see all in the Telegram group. Everything sharing here with you, and you get massive news also what is happening in the market absolutely for free, bratan. So if you want, you can join it. And very important, here's also today in the morning I wrote you about oil, about crude oil. And the crazy thing is, you see crude oil formed on the daily a big resistance line, or not formed, we had a big resistance line and we broke it to the upside here. And I wrote you in the big picture, this is very bearish, right? I explain you here what I wrote here. I jump in quickly to crude oil and explain you what I wrote here for you in the morning, because this is very bearish. Why it's very bearish, bratans? Wait a minute, where's crude oil? Because we have to watch the big economy in order to understand crypto. If in case you see, mine, we are retested even. You see on the 4-hourly, look, the perfect retest. Break up, retest, and to the upside. Because the more expensive crude oil is getting, you see, and right now we're expecting here a run to the upside in the next weeks or months, right? When exactly this run happened, nobody knows. But if the run is happening and crude oil getting very expensive, what happening, bratan? Then the product prices for the people getting more expensive. So for example, if you want to buy, I don't know, this camera, for example, this camera will be even more expensive. Why? Because the delivery of this camera to your, not only to your home, to the factory will be very, or to the supermarket will be very or more expensive because of the transportation, right? We all need energy. If energy getting very high in price, the product will be even more expensive because they will transfer the costs to the end consumer, right? So to you and me. Therefore, the inflation will even more spike. But this is also what I told you months ago on the big picture, bratans, because right now, yes, on the big picture, we are expecting Bitcoin to go between 25 or 30k. Here to between 25 and 30k. Why 30k? Because we have here this big resistance line, support. It would turn here into resistance, so this would be only a pump of around 57%. Like I told you in the previous bear market, this is nothing, because in the previous bear market we reached bottom and then we had to pump over here 350% before we saw another dump to the downside and reach nearly the bottom. So this is what I'm expecting also here. We could see in the next weeks here a pump to 35k, something between 25 and 30k, and then we could go back to 15, 16k, or even back to around 8k, right? And then would the real bull market begin at 2024, 2025, right? Why to around 8k? Because here it was a big resistance line, here turned into big support line. So the lowest bottom what we can reach is around 7 to 8k in the big picture. And as soon as oil getting very expensive, we will see also Bitcoin going down, and this would be the second, like, or the bear market would, I mean, we are in the bear market, but we would create a new lower low or a new bottom, right? However, right now we are in a bullish mode, we are in a relief rally. So all this news, bratans, all this news, or when I'm entering a trade, when I'm closing trade, you get the Telegram group absolutely for free. Again, just in the description, make a registration on Bybit, deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, bratans. Very clear. Wait, what I want to show you, and quickly FXS. As soon as FXS, let me go back on FXS. As soon as Bitcoin breaking to the upside, I expecting here FXS to run also. Why? Because we have no resistance at all here. You see, we broke the resistance, we broke two major resistance. If Bitcoin further pump, I expecting that FXS will go to around $13 and the next resistance will be around $17. So this could be an amazing not long opportunity, but just buying on spot. I'm buying a lot of FXS on spot to sell it around $13 and around $17. So around 75%. This could be a big trade opportunity where you can make a lot of money in a very short time frame. However, do your own research. It's not a financial advice, only what I'm doing, bratan. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.